Just got off the train and exited onto this intersection. Hey, it's Matt Munson here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am in Ginza, what is touted as a luxury shopping district in Tokyo, and I've been here for about 20 minutes right now, and I gotta tell you, it does not disappoint. As someone who is not a luxury brand shopper myself, I can confirm it is astounding how high the representation is here of brands. Like, I've seen every brand I could possibly think of. Everything is here. Let's go take a look. I just walked north up the street. Now I'm going to head south back towards the metro station so I can get a view from both sides of the street. And I'm glad I did, otherwise I would have missed a good view of this building. The architecture on this street alone is insane. Big fan. I'm struggling to really think of a comparison between Ginza and America. I guess the closest I can come up with is Rodeo Drive, just because of the compactness of its luxury brands. But this place is also a mix. Like, there'll be amazing luxury brand stores like, well, everything. There's a Tiffany, oh heck, there's an UGG store right over there. They have everything, but there's also stuff in between. So, and there's hotels. It's an interesting mix, and it's huge. right across from G6 is what I think is the Uniqlo flagship store. Let's check it out. I want to give a quick shot of these self-checkout machines. You just put everything in there. You don't have to scan, you don't have to swipe. You stick everything in there and it just tallies it up. And then you can pay with card or cash or phone. It's insane. It's magic is what it is. Just exited Ginza 6. Back on the street. By the way, it's a Tuesday. It's not even that late right now, so tons of foot traffic. Lots of people out buying stuff in Ginza. So up ahead on the left, that's the building I saw when I came out of the metro station. So I'm almost back to where I started. I think what I'm going to do up ahead is hook right, walk the length of that street and back, and then call it a day. It really chills out a lot once you leave that main drag. I'm on one of the cross streets now, and it's just kind of turned into a normal commercial area. I mean, it's still great. It's still really cool. It's still Tokyo, but it's not all crazy high-end luxury brands. So I guess the area is pretty isolated. It's like a T shape. That main street I was walking up and down at the start that had the Ginza 6 Uniqlo flagship store and a ton of other stuff. I think that's the main strip. And then halfway through it, There's an offshoot to the west that also has luxury brand stores. I'm headed east right now, and this looks like regular Tokyo to me, which is still awesome. For the curious, it's now 6:40 p.m. here in Tokyo, and it's still really warm, and the streets are still really packed. I do like these street crossing shots and get a good view. I feel like Japanese architects are like, all right, so we're gonna make a tall building, but hear me out. It's gonna twist. Dandy House. I think, if I remember correctly from Shinjuku, that is a host club, I think. And with a name like that, how could it not be? It's kind of what I want to start referring to my own apartment as, by the way. So, for anyone listening, if I ever send you an invitation to Dandy House, that means come on over to my place. I hope there were some signs that I'm not a luxury brand guy. Maybe it's this shirt and my Swiss Army knife backpack that I got from Target. Anyway, that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for joining me on my outing to Ginza. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. There's so much to see here. Anyway, you know the score. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you for the next one.